Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Here is an unbelievable collection from Indian Ocean. You can see the conch here and naturally grown black coral in this conch. It's a conch. In the above the conch, black coral is naturally grown. It is called as black coral puja conch from Indian Ocean. It is for Lord Bhairava and Goddess Mahakali. This black coral is for Lord Bhairava and Goddess Mahakali. It is unbelievable formation, extremely unbelievable formation, very very rarely found from Indian Ocean. Lord Bhairava, Goddess Mahakali, black coral conch from Indian Ocean. So it is actually conch, black coral naturally grown, pure black coral naturally grown. See how beautiful it is. It is naturally grown, beautiful, extremely rarest. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. It's an unbelievable formation, gives you full blessings of Lord Bhairava and Goddess Mahakali. Conch and a naturally black coral grown on this conch is called Lord Bhairava, Goddess Mahakali, black coral conch from Indian Ocean. Extremely powerful conch, gives you complete full protection. This conch gives you extreme full protection, very very rare specimen. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya.